There's nothing good on TV tonight. I'm so bored. Can we go somewhere fun?
Well, I have a surprise for everyone.
What is it? Please don't say it's a bill.
No. Look at this letter carefully.
What does it say, Dad?
We won a trip. We're going to Australia!
Australia! Really? That's amazing!
Oh, wow. This is wonderful news. When do we leave?
I can't wait!
Soon! Very soon! Start packing, everyone!
Mom, look at that building. It's so beautiful.
That's the Sydney Opera House, Tom.
See how it looks like white shells?
You're right. Big white shells on the water.
It's a famous place for music and arts.
People say it's the symbol of Australia.
I want to take a picture of it.
And look at that huge bridge over there.
That's the Harbor Bridge. People call it the coat hanger.
The coat hanger? That's a funny name. It's because of the shape. Can you see it?
Oh, yes. It does look like a coat hanger.
Tom.
Move a little. We can't see the bridge.
Oops. Sorry, Dad. I got too excited.
Come here, everyone. Time for a family selfie.
Get closer together. Ready?
Cheese!
Perfect. That's a great photo.
Next stop is Uluru. Let's go!
Wow, it's really hot here.
We are in the red center of Australia now.
What's that giant rock over there?
That's Uluru. It's very famous and very old.
It's so big and so red.
The rock changes color during the day.
Really? That's so cool.
Look, Tom. Someone is selling boomerangs.
Can I try one? Please?
Sure.
Give it a throw.
Watch me. Here it goes. Where did it go? It's not coming back to me.
Look over there. A kangaroo found it.
The kangaroo has my boomerang. I think he wants to play with you.
That's so funny. Come back, kangaroo.
Australia is full of surprises.
Look down, everyone. We're at the Great Barrier Reef.
This is the biggest coral reef in the world.
The water is so clear and blue. Whoa!
Look at all the colorful coral below us.
I see orange, purple, and pink coral.
Can you spot any fish?
I see a clownfish. Hello, little fishies.
They're swimming around the coral.
Wait, something big is coming toward us.
Is it a shark? Or a mysterious creature?
Stay calm. Let's see what it is.
No, Dad. It's just a sea turtle.
Oh, hello there, Mr. Turtle.
He's swimming so slowly and peacefully.
He's beautiful. I love sea turtles.
The ocean here is truly amazing. I love Australia so much.
The ocean and nature here are so beautiful.
And the kangaroos are really funny.
I want to come back here someday.
This has been an amazing adventure.
The most amazing trip we've ever had.
Can we travel more together?
Traveling teaches us so many new things.
We love exploring the world as a family.
Me too. This is the best.
Okay, team. We're hiking up a mountain today.
We need to pack carefully for this.
I'm ready, Mom. Water bottle, check.
Good job. Do you have your backpack?
Backpack, check. I'm all set.
I have the map so we won't get lost.
And I'm wearing my hiking boots.
Great! Kids, I'm waiting outside. Let's go.
Dad is getting impatient. Let's hurry to the car.
Whoa! Dad, what is that huge bag?
Coming through! Watch out, everyone!
That looks very heavy. Are you okay?
Don't worry. Strong Dad is here.
You're carrying so much stuff.
Let's go. Come on, let's start walking.
The forest looks so amazing.
The air is very fresh here.
Slow down, Tom. Save your energy.
But I'm so excited. It's a long way up the mountain. Okay, Mom. I'll slow down a little.
It's a beautiful day for hiking.
Left, right. Keep moving, team.
Mom, my legs are getting tired.
Already? We just started.
Are we there yet?
Hiking is harder than I thought.
We need to keep going.
Wait for me. This bag is so heavy.
Dad, you look really tired.
This bag feels like a rock.
The trail is still going up.
I know. I need a break.
Okay, let's stop here for a moment.
Let's play a game while we rest.
What kind of game? Who wants to be a nature detective?
I do. That sounds fun.
We can do it together.
Use this magnifying glass, Tom. Okay. What should I look for? Look closely at the leaves and insects. Wow. This leaf has interesting lines on it. Ooh.
What else can you find?
Look! An army of ants! What are they doing? They're carrying food. So many of them.
Oh, great job, little detective.
Look, everyone! We're almost at the top!
Really? My energy is back.
Let's finish this climb together.
We made it! We're at the top! Finally!
We did it! The view up here is absolutely amazing.
I can see everything from here.
You see, dear, hiking is much more enjoyable when you travel light.
You're right. This bag was too heavy.
Will you pack less next time, Dad?
Yes. Next time, I'll only bring essential things.
Now let's enjoy our reward. It's so beautiful up here.
This view was worth the climb.
Hiking with family is wonderful.
Wonderful. I love our adventures together.
Me too. This is perfect.